In today's video, I'll be showing you guys a Feelworld 4K 5.5 inch field monitor. I bought this field monitor because I just wanted to have an external monitor when I'm filming in the office, filming outdoors, just something that way I can have a bigger screen when I'm filming. This box came with a packing list, cool instructions that nobody ever reads, the mounting bracket, and the supplied HDMI cable. Alright, so here is the Feelworld 5.5 inch field monitor. I already got it hooked up, got the HDMI cable right here hooked up to my camera. I plan on using this with my gimbal or just an additional monitor for my camera when I'm filming these types of videos. One of the things that I need to let you know right off the bat here, this thing does not include a battery. And when I was shopping around for a field monitor, it actually states in the description that it does not include a battery. And obviously I didn't read the full thing because I just figured any electronic devices like this will include some kind of battery or power source, but it didn't. Make sure you guys read the description. But I'll link in the screen here what types of battery these are. Let's see how it looks. So check out the menu. These are your options there. The histogram. This is your program button, I'm guessing, and program button. I think that's what it is, P1 and P2. I'm gonna assume that's what it is. Alright, so let's scroll through here. Let's click on the menu and use your P1 to scroll through. Your P1 to scroll through these menus here. Settings. Once you scroll through there, click on your left and right arrow. Always off. Menu. Here's your 9 grid. Turn it on, turn it off. Safe frames are off. These are your center markers. Turn it off, turn it on. When you turn it on, you get your plus symbol right there. Again, I'm doing the left and right arrows to switch through these settings here. I mean, there's all kinds of features on this field monitor. I'm still trying to learn the different features on it, but like I said, I'm mainly going to use this during filming these type of videos or any of my videos that I do in the office here, or when I do use my gimbal, I'll definitely have this alongside my gimbal. But yeah, it's for the price, it's not too bad. I mean, it is plastic. It does feel a little cheaply made, but I mean, it's going to serve its purpose. It's going to give you that bigger screen rather than the flip out monitor on your screen, on your camera. so it's pretty decent. The colors aren't too bad. Doesn't look bad at all. And the cool thing is you also have this audio. You can hook up your headphones to this so you can listen to your audio. I believe this is the false color. I'm not exactly sure what you would use this for. I still gotta read the manual on this and find out what it's actually used for. There your full screen without the menu options. And that's it. I mean, this is just a real quick product review. Again, I just got this, so I don't know the ins and out of this monitor. If you're watching this video and you saw, you know, all the different options within the menu, and if you are familiar with that type of stuff, you know, at least you know what it looks like on this monitor. And again, the product link is in the description below, so if you guys are interested in finding out, definitely click that link. It is an Amazon affiliate link, so if you do click on it, you know, I do get a really small commission. I mean, it's nothing big, but you know, just a small commission that will definitely help me out. And that's it. This is the Field Monitor. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this real quick product review. It's nothing fancy. Again, I'm no expert at this. I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like when it's turned on and what the colors look like. The different option it's got, different features. So, and that's it. So if you're interested in this item, definitely click in the product link in the description below. Alright, so make sure you guys like or dislike this video. Again, I'm no expert with these type of product reviews, but I'm the type of person that wants to see how it actually looks when the device is turned on. So if this helps you out, or if this entices you to buy this product, definitely click on the Amazon link below. Alright, so until next time, I'll see y'all later.